This lesson, we're going to look at some tricks for multiplying 9s, 8s, 7s, and a little bit about 6s. Most people, you know your math facts up to your 5s. What gets tricky is being able to figure out the multiplication facts above 5. So hopefully these tricks will be helpful to you. So working with the 9s, the long way of doing the 9s is basically counting by 9s. So you usually use your fingers or sticks. I'm going to use some sticks here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 sticks. So 1 9 just means 9. 2 9s means you have a 9 and then another 9. So that's 9, then 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. That's 18. I was using my fingers there. I can count another 9, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. So 3 9s would be 27. 3 times 9 is 27. 4 times 9, have to count out another 9. So 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. So that's kind of the way the process works for those who do not know their math facts. So if I continue that process, 4 times 9 would have gave me 45. 5 times 9 gave me 45. 6 times 9 would be 54. 7 times 9 would be 63. 8 times 9 would be 72. 9 times 9 would be 81. And of course, 10 times 9 would be 90. So the 9s, the trick on paper, what I do is I put a little 0 up here so that still looks like 9. But I'll set the pattern is just down the column. It just starts and goes 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It just goes 0 through 9 down. And then it just does the same thing going back up the page. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So your 9 facts can be created real easily, probably within 10 seconds by just writing 0 through 9 down and then 0 through 9 back up, and they're visually present in front of you. The 8s is kind of like the 9s, but the trick's a little bit different. 5, 6, 7. I need 8 little sticks there. Well, 1 8, of course, we know that's 8. And then 2 8s, we have 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Now I'm at 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So you kind of get the idea of that's how some of us actually have to do our math facts, is we'll count on our fingers or use sticks. So 4 times 8 would be then 32. 5 times 8 would be 40. 6 times 8 would be 48. 7 times 8 is 56. 8 times 8 is 64. 9 times 8 is 72. And then, of course, 10 times 8 would be then 80. So again, if you look down the page, if I put a little 0 here, the pattern is very similar to the 9s on the left side. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So notice it only counts up to 8, and you have to repeat that 4 twice. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And the other side has a little bit of a pattern. If you notice, it just counts by even numbers. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Who do you appreciate? And 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Who do you appreciate? So it kind of makes that pattern up the right-hand side. And if you use that pattern, it'll create your 8 facts without doing a whole lot of work. So it's a nice little trick you can use. The 7s, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 little sticks. So 1 7 would be 7. 2 7s would be 14. 3 7s would be 21. 4 7s would be 28. Again, 5 times 7 would be 35. 6 times 7 is 42. 7 times 7 is 49. 8 times 7 is 56. 9 times 7 is 63. And 10 times 7 would be 70. Again, the 10 facts are pretty easy, so that last one's not that hard to do just because it's a 10 fact. Now, the way the pattern works, instead of it going like the 8s and 9s, the 7 facts are actually organized using a tic-tac-toe board. So you kind of draw 2 vertical bars and then intersect those with 2 horizontal lines. So 2 verticals and 2 horizontals. The way this works is we go up in the upper right-hand corner and make the number 1, and then we just count to 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we kind of go in that and just count our 9s up and down. Then we go across, starting with 0. So go 0, 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5, 6. And notice that the 7s are mirrored in the tic-tac-toe board, just like they are over here. We just don't have the 10th fact, the 70. So notice how we went 0, 1, 2, and we have to repeat that 2. 2, 3, 4, and then we got to repeat that 4, 4, 5, 6. So that is really not that hard of a pattern to generate, and you have your 7 facts present if you need those. So that's one of the ways you can start to memorize your math facts if you got rusty with them. The 6s are those, these 3, 6 facts here are the ones that kind of rhyme. So 6 times 4 is at 24. 6 times 6 is 36. And 6 times 8 is 48. Those are the rhymers. So if you remember back there in that 3rd grade, your teacher showing you those rhymers. So they rhyme. 6 times 4 is 24. 6 times 6 is 36. 6 times 8 is 48. So as we move forward, we will be using these strategies to kind of work with our multiplication facts, again, doing this all without a calculator.